Hello, everyone. I expect you to like it, to like this. Oh,
The opposites.
opposite. So there are pros, and cons.
Yeah, plus
Pro,
and
pro, pro,
con.
pro, pros, pros,
And how? Pros
pros, pros and cons.
and cons.
Pros,
Like
pros. Si que ve PRO, que es
almost.
PRO, es una PRO es pros, que es lo bueno, lo malo, cons. Ah, cada vez se te tiene que cada vez, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Cada vez se te corta cada vez, ¿verdad? Pros, cons. Pros and contras. Ah, there are distribution. That's pretty good.
Plus,
Pros,
plus and
cons.
cons.
Okay. Do you want to add anything?
And yeah, I would like to add about the intelligence artificial.
Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence.
Artificial intelligence.
So you raise at rest. At
It's
rest.
about internet, the
The
internet.
internet, of course.
So now, well, now, since I don't know when artificial
No, it's not.
intelligence started, not with the mosquito.
Oh, excellent. Pequeñita.
So we are going much and much to some, can I say, with the artificial intelligence. So now we say that we did a big jump,
L-A-V, la.
big laugh.
Laugh is like a kangaroo.
Ah, yeah. Okay.
A kangaroo laughs.
Yeah. Okay, so
It
I have to
doesn't jump
say,
because jump is like that, you know, like that.
yeah.
Yeah, a laugh is like that.
Now,
Yeah, that's the difference. You know.
okay.
So it's a laugh.
Faire un saut en avant, là. So the internet was
Yeah.
already something big revolution, and the artificial intelligence is
On top.
on the top.
On top of.
But
On top.
at the moment,
Yeah.
because for sure,
Yeah.
after that, something new will come.
Yeah.
After the artificial,
Something.
after the artificial intelligence, something new will come. Maybe it's already existed, because many times we the public doesn't
Pa, 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 pa. Public.
public doesn't know on real time.
Well, don't know.
Real
Yes,
time.
I must think. Don't.
Okay, the public don't know in real time
Yeah.
when something revolutionary appears.
Will appear.
Will appears. Because I mean,
Will appear.
will appear. For sure,
Yeah.
something more
Advanced.
more advanced than the artificial intelligence already exists,
Yeah.
and the public don't know.
Of course.
Yeah.
I want to know. Anyone knows? Well, maybe the scientists. No.
Yeah, yeah, it's like
Scientists can.
so
Yeah.
it's like that.
Aliens. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
the public don't know a lot of things about
Things very.
things about it, and some people maybe know a lot.
Okay. Very good. Yeah. Do you want to add anything else?
It was a general opinion.
Good. So you want to add anything else? We can carry on. Did you bring? Could you bring the?
No, no, outside.
Oh,
Because
right.
you know, for
Yeah.
coming,
Yeah.
I had to go to visit a flat,
A plaque, what is
a
this?
flat,
Ah, flat.
and
Okay.
I couldn't come back to the office.
Oh, that's good. So look, just okay. Before starting that, the irregular verbs. Okay. Now you will understand that the irregular verbs. The irregular verbs. Have you ever heard of
Yeah,
it,
yeah,
right?
yeah,
So, for example, we have be, was, been, right? For example, right?
yeah,
This is the verb. So, be is in the infinitive. Can be present. If you add will, it's a future, right? For example, the past was or were. The
yeah,
past,
yeah.
past or were. And the third column is the present perfect or the past perfect. So, what I do is first you had to be clear on that. So the present simple, for example, who are you? Well, it can be a present simple can be a two thing. For example, who are you? It's a present simple because it's true. Who are you?
I have already.
Muy bien, sería ya, right? The word to be or habits you have or you don't have. It depends, right? For the present simple. But this is a bit confusing porque justamente este es el verbo ser o estar. Pero bueno, ¿vale? Es un poquito, es el único que es un poquito especial. Okay. Where were you yesterday? Where? Estamos hablando del pasado simple.
Yesterday, I was at the restaurant.
Por ejemplo.
Yeah.
Very good. Yesterday was at the restaurant. Very good. Ahora el otro, be, was o were, be, right? Sería present perfect. El básico is used for past actions with not normally with a past time version. The difference, you understand that? For example, 2 years ago is a past time reference. Or yesterday is a past time reference.
Okay, it's finished.
Finished and with the past time.
Yeah.
Then you have present perfect. Being. Where a being is present perfect. Where have you add have. That's the third column on the rule words. I have been. Where had you